Welcome to ZProStudio.
Have your documents started printing with lines, streaks, or faded marks? Printer streaks are one of the most common printing problems. And the good news is that you can often fix them in just a few minutes without calling a technician. In this video, you'll learn what causes printer streaks, how to identify the problem, and the best step-by-step solutions for both inkjet and laser printers. Let's get started. What causes printer streaks? Printer streaks happen when ink or toner isn't applied evenly to the paper. Several different problems can cause this. The most common include clogged print head nozzles, dirty drum units, low or improperly installed ink or toner cartridges, dirty encoder strips, and dust inside the printer. Sometimes the issue isn't the printer itself. Old printer drivers, incorrect print settings, or poor quality paper can also affect print quality. Identify the type of streak before fixing anything. Look closely at the printed page. Thin vertical lines usually indicate clogged print nozzles. Faded or patchy areas often mean the ink or toner is running low. Repeated marks at regular intervals may point to a worn drum unit or dirty roller. If only copied documents have streaks, check the scanner glass for dust or fingerprints. Identifying the pattern helps you choose the correct solution. Step 1. Perform basic checks. Start with a few simple checks. Print a test page from your printer settings. Check the ink or toner levels. Remove and reinstall the cartridges to ensure they're seated correctly. Then restart the printer and print another test page. If the streaks disappear, the issue was likely temporary. Step 2. Fix inkjet printer streaks. If you're using an inkjet printer, begin by running the built-in print head cleaning utility from your printer's maintenance menu. This removes dried ink that blocks the nozzles. If the problem continues, run the cleaning cycle once or twice more. Avoid repeating it too many times because it uses extra ink. Next, perform a print head alignment to make sure the colors are properly positioned. If the cartridges are nearly empty or very old, replacing them may immediately solve the problem. For stubborn clogs, carefully clean the print head using a lint-free cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, following the printer manufacturer's recommendations. Step 3. Fix laser printer streaks. For laser printers, remove the toner cartridge and gently shake it from side to side. This evenly redistributes the toner and may improve print quality. Next, inspect the drum unit for scratches, toner buildup, or visible damage. If your printer includes a corona wire, clean it using the built-in cleaning tab or according to the manufacturer's instructions. If the drum unit is worn out, replacing it is usually the only permanent solution. Step 4. Check software and printer settings. Sometimes the problem isn't hardware at all. Update your printer driver to the latest version. Try printing from another computer or mobile device to rule out software issues. If you're printing in the highest quality mode, switching to a standard print setting may also improve consistency. Step 5. Check paper and environment paper. Quality matters more than many people realize. Always use paper recommended for your printer. Store paper in a cool, dry place because moisture can affect print quality. Excessive dust around the printer can also lead to streaks, so keep the printer clean inside and out. When should you replace parts? If you've cleaned the printer, replace the cartridges, updated the software, and the streaks still appear, a hardware component may have reached the end of its life. Replace damaged drum units, worn rollers, or faulty print heads if recommended by the manufacturer. If multiple parts appear to be failing, professional servicing may be the most cost-effective option. Tips to prevent printer streaks. A little maintenance goes a long way. Print a test page every week if you don't use the printer often. Use genuine or high-quality compatible ink and toner. Keep the printer clean. update printer drivers regularly, store paper properly to avoid moisture damage. These simple habits can help maintain clear, streak-free prints for longer. Conclusion: printer streaks may look frustrating, but they're usually caused by simple issues like clogged nozzles, low ink, dirty drum units, or improper maintenance. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can restore sharp, professional-looking prints without replacing the entire printer. If the problem continues after trying every solution, it may be time to replace worn components or contact the printer manufacturer for support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to ZProStudio for more tech tutorials, AI tips and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.